Please subscribe and press the like button and bell icon. You can share this YouTube video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome back. Lesson 3. What is this? What will you learn? To say what is this, saying welcome, usage of demonstrative nouns. Let's move on. Lesson 3. What is this? Hassan, أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. Welcome. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. سهيلة, أهلا بك. أهلا بك. Welcome. أهلا بك. حسن, ما هذه؟ ما هذه؟ ما means what, is, هذه means this, referring to feminine noun. ما هذه؟ ما هذه؟ سهيلة, رسالة. رسالة, a letter. رسالة. رسالة. حسن, رسالة من مدرسة. رسالة من مدرسة. رسالة, a letter. من, from, مدرسة, school. رسالة من مدرسة. رسالة من مدرسة. Let's repeat again. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا بك. ما هذه؟ رسالة. رسالة من مدرسة. Now it is your turn. Fill in the blanks. Usage of Arabic phrase. The phrase Ahlan wa Sahlan is used when meeting people or customers, inviting a person to enter, or even on phone calls. Ahlan wa Sahlan. Ahlan wa Sahlan. Both gender can use the phrase Ahlan wa Sahlan. However, when you mingle with the Arabic locals, they usually say Ahlin wa Sahlin. Ahlin wa Sahlin. This is an Arabic slang. It is for easy intonation of phrase. You may reply back by saying the same phrase Ahlin wa Sahlin, or just a short phrase such as Ahlin, Ahlin, or Ahlin bik, Ahlin bik. Grammar tips. Demonstrative nouns are usually used and integrate with a noun. Hassan, ما هذه? ما هذه? Ma is an interrogative particle and plays usually as the initial of a sentence, whereas the phrase هذه refers to this for feminine gender form, and هذا refers to this masculine gender form. Demonstrative nouns for new objects. ما هذه? ما هذه? What is this? It means something near. ما هذه? ما هذا? What is this? ما هذا? Demonstrative nouns for far objects. ما تلك ما تلك. What is this? تلك is used for feminine gender forms but shows something far. ما ذاك ما ذاك. What is this? What is that? What is that? So ما تلك, what is that? ما ذاك, what is that? Used for masculine gender forms but means an object that is far. ما ذاك. Street talk with Arab locals. أهل وسهل means welcome. أهل وسهل. أهلين أهلين. أهلا بك أهلا بك. بريد means mail. بريد بريد إلكتروني. بريد إلكتروني means email. Write the Arabic phrase. Write the Arabic word from right to left.